Now guys, in this second lecture I will tell you about the structure of the React app and the files it has created for our app. So it is a terminal, the server is started. This is our output, which is on localhost 3000. The by default is localhost 3000. So it creates some files. The first one is node modules. Node modules are the modules that has our project dependencies and other things. So now second is public. Now in public, the first one is favicon icon, which is this icon. Here you can see the React app. ICO, the index.html is just like index main, the index.html. Every file has an index.html. The main fees.json don't need src. Now the src is the most important folder of your project, and inside this src the most important is index.js. In this index.js you see a document .get element by id root. Okay, inside this root you see an app. This app is linked to our this app.js because we write jsx, so that's why there is a js file. This is app.css and this is our by default code which is created by Facebook, and this is our logo of, and these two, you don't need this two file though, you can delete that. A git ignore to ignore our node modules. These are the node modules. So this is the package.json. Here the first is the name of the app which we created, our demo app, the version, the dependencies, it telling us the React version, React DOM, and it also telling us how to start your project. Chrome extension line. This is a readme.md. It is a by default created file. So how to edit the file? So we just delete this test, we don't need that right now. Delete this. We will also delete this setup. So delete this, we don't need that. So in here this is a by default code given by Facebook. So we will remove this. We will also remove this class. Now in css we will also remove everything. Now in app.js, here you can see there is a logo coming. No. So in here this is a functional component which Facebook gave us with the export of app. Okay, so this is a css file, import app. The directory is ./app.css. Here you can see this is a app.css file which is in the same directory of src. We also don't need logo, so we will delete. So in here we can write our jsx and anything. So now in the third lecture I will tell you how to create a form or in jsx, a simple form with material UI. So thanks.